Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious jalapeno nacho cheese. We'll start by gathering all our necessary ingredients, like your favorite cheeses, fresh jalapenos, and milk. Make sure your kitchen is ready with a medium saucepan and a whisk. This guide will walk you through each simple step to create a warm, creamy, and perfectly spiced cheese sauce that everyone will love. Let's get cooking. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the jalapenos. Carefully slice 2 to 3 fresh jalapenos, and remember to remove the seeds if you prefer a milder heat. Next, sauté these diced jalapenos in about 1 tablespoon of butter in your saucepan until they are nicely softened. Then, in a separate bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of flour with 2 cups of milk until smooth. This creates the perfect creamy base for our cheese sauce. Now for the magic. Gradually add about 8 ounces of your favorite shredded cheeses, like cheddar and Monterey Jack, to your milk mixture. Stir continuously over low heat, ensuring the cheese melts slowly and smoothly without clumping. Once it's beautifully creamy, season your sauce with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a small pinch of cayenne pepper for that extra kick. Taste and adjust as needed. Your delicious homemade jalapeno nacho cheese is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm and generously over crispy tortilla chips, loaded tacos, or even as a dip for pretzels. For an extra touch, garnish with a few more fresh jalapeno slices or some chopped cilantro. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.